Hello, VW Lifers. Oh, look at this. You know, Matt Jackson, it's getting close when the wiring cover is getting ready to go on.
That's right.
So that's a big, it's a big moment.
I see some glue and adhesive going on right this minute.
Hell yeah, Matt Jackson.
The back seat.
It should go right to the edge.
I'm just pulling it tight to make sure you can pull it on a little bit.
I need to come this way about half.
We've also got the front carpeting in.
Uh-oh, got to put this on.
Yep.
What kind of operation are we running here, Matt Jackson?
I think it's an amateur operation.
Look at this. You know, Matt Jackson, when you're like, you take some apart and you look in your bucket and you have a lot of extra parts. How did we miss something this big?
Maybe Tommy knows where to put it afterwards.
Bend over and I'll show you.
All right, guys. Today's the day. We're going to try to get the interior in on this car, button up the brakes, and hopefully drive it.
Amen, Matt Jackson.
All right.
That's a fact, Matt Jackson.
Where's your cat, Gary?
My cat.
Viewers want to know, where's your cat?
That's gotta
I'm
go.
getting the body though.
So I think that folds down.
I think they both fold up, dude. I think they go like that.
Yeah, because it's got to come out.
Alright, so right now, the old man's got a Beetle, 63, beautifully restored. So now we're coming to look at it as an example.
Reference
And this
Beetle.
is the first time we've done this in the process of restoring the Harvest.
No, they just end right there. Those are just long.
Yours is different.
Yeah, see, this one goes up.
Oh, look, his is accordion style up front for the wheel. It doesn't go down.
And look, it's one piece here.
Well, I think it does go up. It must fold up like that then.
What's up, Matt Jackson?
Care to explain the
Unicorn?
yes.
So what happens is people throw away stuff and I dig it out of the trash, and this didn't have any holes in it, and I found that out when I blew it up. And so now 4th of July special next year,
We have unicorns.
we have unicorns. We'll have everything. Unicorns, beer, Volkswagen.
Now we gotta come up with.
There's a big chunk of like.
What do you think, Gary?
Looks good. Look at that. German square weave, baby. This is not cut pile.
It's not a pile of cut carpet.
This is German square weave.
Martin looks like he knows what he's doing.
Look at that little piece there.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's like factory. Good job, Martin.
You know what, Matt Jackson? This is square weave. You know what? That's cut pile. Well,
Well, you know it's getting real. Grease in the shifter. The guys have put in the carpet and everything, and we're getting close.
It's over to the side though.
Who has the 13?
I'm at 13, Chumley. Chumley's dad.
What's behind
Here's what just happened.
that?
I stopped by.
Let's do the big reveal.
Dramatic.
We're gonna grease up our seat rails.
This is it. This is what all the work's been for.
We got reverse.
He can't even drive stick. What was that?
Can we get a new sticker, please? You already got it. All you need is the damn plate. Fuck it, look.
Now Jackson, go drive back.
Do it, baby. You're one of us.
Boomer's crying.
All right, I just drove it. It's awesome.
You're one of us. You can't win
Now
it either.
Jake's gonna drive it.
One of us. It's my only chance to ever drive it.
Well, Matt Jackson,
Well,
it's a runner and a driver
Yeah.
and a stopper and a shifter and a turner.
all those.
It does everything a car's supposed to do.
Yeah.
Oh man, it's almost kind of speechless. I mean,
Yeah.
and it's, you know what? I will share this with you guys. It's almost, in a way, it's kind of bittersweet
Yeah.
because it's been a great project with you, your best friends, and you have so much fun. And now it's like, oh man, it's almost over. But that's okay because we'll get another one next year.
Yeah, we'll do this all again next year.
Yeah, but I mean, the best part of this is getting. I was just kind of telling everybody. I said, do y'all remember when we got this thing and we took it to the car wash? Oh my god! And it was just like there was like, ugh, it was just rat crap.
It's come a long way.
And it was like now it's like bringing a car back to life, a Volkswagen back to life, is the best thing.
Yeah.
It really is the best thing. So
We're gonna do a whole other shoot of this car, really make it look nice, and that'll be the next video. But we just want to say thanks for watching this whole process.
yes, thank you guys so much, and there's so much more to come with here at VW Life, and thank you guys for watching us and staying with us, and everything that your comments and subscribing, and tell your friends and tell your aunts and tell your uncles, and now we have a store.
Yeah, we have a store. Link below. We're gonna have shirts and all kinds of
Oh
stuff.
yeah, shirts, things for your phone, hoodies, and things like that. So yes, VW Life is expanding.
Yes. See you guys. Thanks so much.